That is a beautiful canter. I wish I was riding that canter. Regroup. Regroup. Eyes up, leg on. You still would have been inside the flags, and the flags would have... Yay! Are you breathing?
Yes.
Good girl, good boy. You can feel her wiggle already?
Yep.
Hell yeah! I love your hands. Namaste. Breathing. Centered riding. Ride that girl to the base.